Take a ride in the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, convertible soft top, fog lamps, brake assist, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.